Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a drone tour of the tallest building being built in Barbican. It's an apartment complex. It's 8 floors high and it's located off Barbican Road. So this is the Barbican area you're looking at, and you can see the building. It stands out. This is actually a very nice view of the city of Kingston. And that road that you see on the right is Barbican Road. It was recently renovated. It's now 4 lanes, 2 lanes on each side, and I must say, you don't have any more traffic delays on Barbican Road. When on NWA redid that road, they did an excellent job. The traffic lights they put in, they work. No more traffic delays on Barbican Road. All right, this is actually, as you can see, it's a drone tour. So we're going to fly over and give you guys a close-up of the building. Now, it's a residential building, it's apartments. They don't have a name up, and we weren't able to find out the name of the building. So if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below, and we will inform everyone when we make an update video. We're going to give you updates on this project and all the major construction projects every 2 weeks. And if you haven't noticed, we've been giving you drone videos every night. I will continue doing that. We're going to post at least one drone video every day. Now, this is actually a very nice building. The architects in Jamaica are doing an excellent job. The buildings look so modern. I'm not sure if this building is sold out, but there is a high demand for residential units in Jamaica, especially this area. This is Kingston 8. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video, and remember to leave your comments in the section below. And if anybody knows the name of this building, because I think all the buildings have a name, you can leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.